The Yorubas have a proverb or a saying for almost everything in life. My favorite Yoruba saying, Iwalewa, which means character is beauty. Iwalewa. This is a reminder that what makes you shine is not in your clothes or how you look. It is in your character, in who you are, especially when no one is looking. There is another proverb that I really love. Ọmọ tó bá mọwọ́ wẹ̀, á bá àgbà jẹun. Ọmọ tó bá mọwọ́ wẹ̀, á bá àgbà jẹun. This in literal term just means that a child that knows how to wash their hands would eat with an elder. This isn't just talking about food. It's talking about humility and earning wisdom through how you carry yourself. These proverbs or sayings, they are not just old sayings. They are lessons about honesty, patience, humility, and grace. Yoruba proverb teaches us how to live, how to speak with sense, and how to walk with dignity. So tell me, what's one Yoruba proverb that has stayed with you since childhood?